Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. For today's card, I am featuring a brand new stamp set called Bright Borders. It's from the new mini catalog, and you can start ordering that January 7th. It does not come as a bundle with the punch, but the Valentine's Day stamp set does. All right, when you first get your card base, you are going to slice off 3 inches off of that card base. All right, so because I have the stamp set, I am going to use the border. You can, or like the stamped image border, it has little leaves on it. It's very cute. But if you wanted just to zhuzh it up your own self, you can take a finger dauber or a blending brush or a blending sponge and just tip the edges with that to make a little bit of a border. So there's many different ways that you can use this label. You don't have to do anything to it actually, because the pattern paper that I'm using is patterned enough. So I have inked up my sentiment and that says thank you. And I am using Flirty Flamingo, I believe. Okay, so this cardstock is Granny Apple Green, and I'm just going to fold the edges, and then I am going to adhere you'll have a bigger and a smaller piece of pattern paper. This is called the Toadstool Gardens 6x6 Designer Series paper, and there you have 2 pieces for each card. The bigger one goes on the 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, is it? Goes on that 3-inch by 4 1/4 piece, and then the smaller bit goes on the flap that is just hanging out there. So you also have a piece of basic white that we are going to adhere to the inside of the card. Normally, I don't include the inside papers. Oftentimes, I even myself use copy paper or printer paper for the inside of my cards, but because this is integral for the front of the card, I will include it today. So again, this is a celebration item, these papers. So if you are Canadian and you have ordered through my store at the tune of $75 or more, you can select these products for free. So free with purchase. So, and you get your choice, and these papers are lovely. I always pick the consumables because I always think that they're the best. They're the best out of the bunch. I don't know why, but they give the best papers for celebration. All right, so this card design can go either horizontal or vertical. I'm choosing to do vertical because I want the card to be able to stand up. So I'm going to take that edge and go right down to the very bottom. I guess you could call this a fun fold, but it's not really. I don't know. It's just rearranging that front. Now, if you wanted it to be more horizontal, you could center that cut piece more in the center. But I didn't want to do that. So here is my little sentiment piece, and I'm going to stick it on kind of the top portion. You can put it wherever you'd like. Actually, it's your card. So thank you. In case I didn't already, thank you for purchasing with me. Secondly, if you're watching this video on YouTube, I appreciate you. Thanks for commenting, for subscribing, for thumbs upping, all of the YouTubey things. It really makes a difference in my life. So thank you so much. And again, you can see all the supplies listed below in the See More section or the supplies section of my blog. Bye for now.